Traffic.
Na.
We're
Ayan na.
live.
We're live!
Hello! Hi!
Wala ang aming pangmalakasang
Malakasan.
intro. Yes. Ayan. Hello everyone. Happy Saturday.
Hi! Happy Saturday.
Good
Na ibang ating intro.
Hi.
Hindi natin,
Hello.
yes.
Beautiful ladies.
Ang ating Saturday, mga empowered.
Hey. We are live.
Okay naman. Kumusta ang ating mga Saturday? Okay, busy lahat Mukhang meron pa tayong hangover dyan. So, well. Sabi nga, hello. Magandang umaga, hapon, at kung anumang oras nakakarating itong live po sa inyo. Have a wonderful Saturday, diba? So, today, napaka-interesting po ang aming topic. Of course, we would like to welcome everyone, lahat ng mga naka-tune in at lahat ng mga nanonood for the replay later on. Welcome po at sa ating mga fellow empowered women. Hello, thank you for the time. So, ang topic natin is, nakasulat dyan, she lost her job, then found her purpose. So, meron po kaming nire-refer, this is title po na to, at meron kaming bagong ka-empower na i-welcome namin for today. Yay! At today we're gonna hear a real story of courage, reinvention, and taking chances that lead to growth. So you're going to love this for sure. But before we dive in, let's have everyone introduce themselves, and let's start with, sino gusto mag-start yan? Si Cheryl.
Hello everyone, mga kabayan and OFW. Hello sa inyong lahat. We're back here again. So yes, I am Cheryl po. I'm a mom, a nurse, and a part-time digital business owner. And I believe in creating freedom without sacrificing family time. Back to you, Malu.
Yes, thank you. By the way, ako po yung host for today. Edi wow, 'di ba? Hindi lang wow ang dagat, wow ang aming business.
Hindi ko
And
yun wow ang dagat.
yes. And of course, I'm a mom of three. I'm passionate about growth mindset and of course helping others rise with this amazing business at hindi lang amazing kundi super wow, 'di ba? Now let's move to sis. Who's that? Sis Liza.
Natatawa talaga ako sa dagat na yan.
Hindi ko rin mag-gets yan.
Kanina pa. Nauso ang dagat. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. I'm sorry. There's a little bit of bloopers. So I'm Lisa and I'm from the UK and I'm a nurse and I'm a digital business owner as well at saka mentor and I'm a single mom of 2 and I'm earning revenue online and I'm also helping others to do the same.
Yes, thank you, Ate Liza. We gonna knock on your door.
Hello everyone. I'm Irene. I'm a nurse from UK. I'm mom of 4 and a business online owner. Yeah, I've seen firsthand how this business brings hope and balance into busy lives. So,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kaya kami napapakanta ng We Gonna Knock on Your Door kasi nga dito sa business na to, hindi mo na kailangan mag-knock on the door and see.
explain mo na talaga.
Explain mo
ang real testimony. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, di ba, yung mga hindi sumasabay sa atin. Let's move on to our beautiful other speaker. Naka-muted ka, Sis Rose. There you go.
Hello everybody. Nakaka-pressure, may beautiful yung yung title ko. Anyways, yeah, my name is Mary Rose from Vancouver, Canada. I'm a proud Kapampangan and mom of two, former banker, and I am a healthcare worker now. My passion is to spread the good news about this business in line with my faith as well. And gusto ko ma-encourage yung mga working parents, lalo na yung mga busy na merong mga professions tulad natin na mostly nasa healthcare dito sa panel, na outside of overtime, outside of a second or third job, there is a way for us to generate an extra income. And without breaking our bank and without being exposed sa mga sakit. And this is what I do and what we do in the online space. We earn online so we can enjoy offline. That's all for me today. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
Sis
you.
Rose. And we've got Sis Fe.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Faye Cox from South Carolina. I am a part-time digital business owner and a healthcare worker as well. This community gave me purpose beyond the usual 9 to 5, and I'm so glad to be here. That's it.
Yes, thank you. And of course, sa ating special guest at nasa ilalagay natin sa hot seat. Next special guest today. Let's turn the spotlight to our special guest. She's Mary Ann from Canada. So we're excited to hear your journey. And please go ahead, share your story, what life looked like before, bago ka sumali dito, kung ano yung nabago, and how you found your way into this business. Ayan. Sis Marianne, the floor is yours.
Hello, everybody, friends and family who's watching us right now or will be watching us later. I would like to thank everyone for inviting me to this panel. I'm so excited. First time ko ng big panel. So I'm really, really excited. It's gonna be another exciting chit-chat, kumbaga. So yeah, I would like to share a little bit of a background in my story. So, sorry, by the way, I'm Mary Ann pala, sorry. I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, currently now in Ontario, Canada. I'm a wife, a mom of two, a sales administrator, and a proud digital online mentor and owner. So there. So just to give you a background, so I'm currently I have a full-time job, and so parang ano siya, it supplies with whatever the family needs, right? Okay, good compensation, right? Check yan. Bi-weekly sweldo, check, right? So you would think you're okay, and you okay ka at masusuplayan yung mga needs mo. However, with everybody who had experienced the pandemic, right? Nagbago lahat. So I got laid off in my job. So first I thought pwede palang mangyari yun. So what's gonna happen with me and my family? There is a pandemic. Companies has closed. Some of them has closed. They're struggling, right? Pero the bills keep piling, right? Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin sa bills natin na hold on kasi pandemic, right? So hindi naman pwede yun. So that actually made me think, and you know what? I have to do something. So this was actually introduced to me by a friend of mine. So by most, skepticism is like, legit ba yan? Totoo ba yan? Pwede akong magtrabaho, pwede akong mag-business online sa comfort of bahay ko lang, right? Habang nagbabantay ako ng mga anak ko, nagbe-business na ako. Totoo ba yan? Hindi doon yung skepticism ko. It's more so, is this something I can do? Like, to share part of my life in the social media platform. Kasi alam naman natin, may negative side din yung mga social medias, right? So am I able to do this? Am I able to do this? Doing go live with you ladies, right? Hindi ko kaya. Afraid ako. Not to mention, I'm not tech savvy. I don't have a business background. So at first I was like hesitant in a way. However, pinush ako nung why. Bakit ba ako naghanap ng side hustle in the first place? Right? Kailangan ako mag-plan B na in the future maging plan A ko, right? Nung hindi na ako mag-work, 'di ba? Meron na ako sariling business, pwede akong pumunta mag-travel, dala-dala ko business ko. And this was it. So I tried and here I am now, right? There you go.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Mary Ann. Halos nasagot na yata yung mga tanong ano, sa tingin mo. Pero we have to go deeper.
Dublain na lang.
Kaya nga tayo nandito. So,
Elaborate.
Sis Cheryl, you might want to bring the first question here. Yan.
Okay, thank you, Malu. Yes, and thank you, Mary Ann, for joining us. We're very grateful. Yes. So yeah, Mary Ann. So, what surprised you the most after you started this digital business?
What surprised me the most is actually my mentor and coach told me you're never alone in your digital business journey. And at the back of my head, I was like, okay, you know, cliche, you're never alone. Naririnig ko na yan eh, diba? Parang okay, fine. But it's so different if you're in that state. Pag ikaw na mismo makaka-experience nun. Like for example na lang, this collaboration that we're doing right now, we have our own businesses, right? I have my own business and you have your own businesses, but we're collaborating. It's part of the journey na hindi ka nag-iisa. It may be just your business, pero yung support ng community nandun. So at first, it was just a cliche for me. I was like, yeah, right, okay, right. But being in the community, it actually is true. And I can feel it. You may be down sometimes. Everybody cheering you on. No, you can do it, right? Everybody will push you on. And then, of course, if you have your wins, everybody will be like congratulating you left and right. And that's actually, there's a lot of things that surprises me, but I think that was the most surprising of all.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Napaka-importante talaga yung community, di ba? Parang sabi nga, you're not alone, pero pagka, honestly, I didn't really get it until nandun din ako. Kasi kahit sino naman pwedeng magsabi, oh, may community, pero pag nandun ka na, makikita mo din talaga yung energy mo, feel mo talaga yung pagiging genuine din ng mga iba, at saka support. Eh di wow, di ba? So, let's move on kay Sis Liza. Yay!
So so you're already balancing your work, di ba? Tapos yung pagiging mother mo, so ang kids mo, and at the same time you're managing your business. So paano mo ba na-manage yung time mo?
Yeah, managing time, it takes a lot of effort, right? With me, I think part of it will be doing and planning a schedule, right? It has to be done, right? It could be written, it could be like, posted in your cell phone, right? With me, currently, my husband and I have our Google Calendar synced in through our phones. So if he has a schedule, he has to check the schedule first. Pwede ba? Aakma ba? Right? So I have my business schedule in there, and then he has his schedule as well, or appointment, along with the kids as well. Yung kids appointments or yung mga extracurricular nila nandoon din. And as much as possible, you communicate directly. Because you know what? This is my business, but it's part of the household. That's the reason why you're going through with this business. It's for your family, right? So hindi naman pwedeng ako masusunod palagi. No. It has to be communicated. And then pagka hindi pwede, right? Like right now, right? It's a Saturday afternoon on my end. The kids are upstairs. They're watching TV. So I was like, okay, I have a meeting at 2 p.m. they know that when I go downstairs in the basement, that's my business time. And then after that, when I go up, I try not to, check my phone anymore, just for inquiries maybe, or like, checking, being plugged in the portal. But as much as I can, I still want to be present. If it's mom time, it's mom time. If it's like boss time, mom boss time, it's mom boss time. So
That's great.
Wow,
Yeah.
parang napaka-organized naman at my schedule, which is very important naman talaga, like the time management at yung communication talaga are really important keys here. At natutuwa ako dahil nandun yung respect, like when you say to your kids or your family, I have a meeting, or this is my time, and everyone gets to cooperate. So that's really nice. I think I skipped Sis Rose. Sorry about that. You're supposed to be the second, pero I'll give you the floor.
That's okay. Yeah, thank you, Sis Marianne. Nakaka-relate din ako dyan sa scheduling na yan. And by the way, I'm happy to say, Sis Marianne is actually a good friend. She became a good friend because of this digital business. And we were part of a group from last year. So may ginawang program, and from there, nag-blossom lang. So happy that she's in our platform today and part of the Empowered Women community na. So, Sis Marianne, I have this question
Yay.
for you. If you could go back and tell your past self one thing before starting this business, what would it be?
yes, actually, I forgot to mention, prior to the pandemic time, this was already introduced to me by my friend 2 years prior. And I was like hesitant nga, parang hindi ko naman kaya yung ginagawa mo, right? So it took me another 2 years to actually say yes. And actually, it was my husband who said, you know what, if you want something to do, and why not try it? So I would say to my past self, not to focus on the negative side, not to focus on the fears. Um, there's a business partner of mine uh, who keep who keeps on telling us, don't focus on the fears. Make your fears reason for you to go on. So that's what I kept on my mind. So if there's something that I will mention to my old self is that, like, wag ka nang magpatimpik-timpik pa. Go na. Right? Wag na, don't waste time. Just go. And you know what? If you fail, stand up again, right? It's for your family. So just go back to your why.
That's true.
True.
Yung why natin ang nagpupush, ika nga. I think nabanggit mo din sa umpisa kanina na your why had pushed you para magkaroon ng plan B. So, let's go with another one. Sino ba ang next sa atin? Sis Irene.
Hello. Hello, Sister Mary Ann. Welcome to our community. Yeah, parang nasagot mo na yung question ko eh. But in any way, my question is, what mindset shifts help you move past the skepticism and just go for it?
Yeah, so yun, just go back to your why, right? I mean, what was the main reason you started looking for a plan B? Just go back to there, right? And
Mhm.
ano ba yung dahilan? Syempre yung dahilan yung parang for time, more time for family, right? So and then from there, then you will have that decision to just go for it, right? And then mindset, that's another thing about our community. That's also being trained to us. Because you know what, mindset may just be a cliche or anything, right? But it is true. It's one of the reason for you to push yourself to go forward. You may stumble, stand up again, 'di ba? Stand up again and then go for it again. So and then just keep on, like what they there's something that Mel Robbins has always say, right? And if it's a difficult day for you, just merely waking up, making your bed says a lot. And then yun na, magiging okay na yung morning mo, and then you'll try to surpass everything. So there.
Okay. Very positive, sister.
Great.
Thank you. Yeah, napaka-importante. I think meron din tayong separate na episode about sa mindset sa mga hindi po nakanood. I think somewhere in February or March, isa sa mga episode po namin is about mindset, which is really
Yes.
important. Sino pa ba ang ano natin dyan next? Si Sis.
I think it's me.
Si Mirek.
Yeah, it's me. Okay. Hi, sis. Thank you for having us here. And here's my question for you. What's one small win you've had so far that made you go, yes, this was worth it?
Yes. I think one of the small win that I have that I will always instill in my mind is the confidence that I have right now. The myself 2 years prior is not the same person anymore. Why? Because I have the confidence that I have. Because lacking confidence, I believe, is not having that right information that you have. Right from the start, I was skeptic. Why? Because I didn't know. I didn't have the information. I wasn't tech savvy. I don't have a business background. But slowly, with the training, with the unlimited coaching and mentorship that we have in the community, I slowly gained those information. That's why I'm more confident now because I can actually just let them know, okay, this is what we do. This is what you can have as well if you want to have your own business, right? Because you know the proper information, right? So that's a win that I can say that I have is the confidence that I have right now that I didn't know I had before.
Thank you, sis.
Sis, you're muted. Sis
You're
Malu.
muted.
Yeah,
O, bahala kayong magbasa ng aking lips. Read my lips. Sorry naman. So, kung sino yung nakakaalala kay Ernie Baron, halatang super, na tayo, tanda na. Knowledge is power, di po ba? Sabi niya yon. So, kapag may knowledge ka, mas confident ka. Kaya itong community natin na to, napakaganda ng ating tools, napakaganda ng platform natin. And again, hindi lang naman po kami nakafocus dun sa mga kung ano yung gamit namin. Nakafocus po kami dun sa purpose, kung ano yung binibigay namin sa mga kapwa naming mga moms or dads or kung sino yung gustong mapaganda ang buhay ng family, di po ba? So, ayan, sino pa bang gustong magtanong dyan? Are we all, thank you so much for sharing, Sis Mary Ann. Anyone who wants to ask? Meron pa ba tayong nakaligtaang questions, mga ka-empowered?
Is there another
We can add this. What would you say to other women out there who
Yeah.
are
Diba? Parang Miss Universe lang.
but scared to try?
Oh. What would you say? Katatapos lang ng Miss Philippines? I don't know. Binibini.
Miss Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes, so if there are any moms, or like parents who are still skeptic, being skeptic is just natural. But the thing is, what are you gonna do? You have to do something about it, right? And like what I said a while ago, me not being confident, that's actually a part of being a skeptic, right? Because you don't have the proper information to back you up. Like any traditional businesses, right? For you to go through with it, you have to have the proper information. So do your due diligence, research naman paminsan-minsan, right? And
Yes.
kaya yung palagi nating sinasabi na meron tayong webinar which is free naman, why not, right? Check it out, right? See if this is something for you, right? And then make your decision after getting all the information that you need. And hopefully, those information are like the right one. Hindi yung nagtatanong lang tayo na hindi pa natin napapanood yung webinar, right? Kasi the webinar will tackle all of those questions already. And then at that moment, you will be able to have a decision you can discuss with your partner, with your husband, right? With whoever, like your parents or whatever, you can discuss with them. And then you will have your decision afterwards, right? Don't be just skeptic. After the skepticism, that's it. Parang ayoko na, right? Check it out first. And then, you know what? If this is something that's not for you, at least you have it at the back of your head that there's a business, a business that has a big potential that might be able to help you in the future. So there.
Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you. So before we wrapped up, we would like everyone to introduce their pages. Asan si Cheryl.
Oh, yes. Thank you. So just like what Mary Ann said, if you're skeptic, do your due diligence and don't wait for that wake up call. Try it. The webinar is free, so you will be able to learn what this business is all about. And from there, you can, decide if this is really for you. So start now. You can connect with me at www.cheryl-young.com. Thank you, sis.
Thank you, Sis Rose.
Ayun na nga. Yes. So, doon sa mga nagda-doubt pa rin dyan, doubtful pa rin kayo bukas. So, kung hanggat wala kayong gagawin na action, hindi nyo malalaman bakit kayo doubtful. So, we encourage you to take an action and register today for a free webinar to get the information you need, and then from there you can make the decision that will make a huge impact in your life. Yun din po ang ginawa namin. Hindi rin naman po kami right away nag-agree or naniniwala sa digital business. But if we didn't take action, doubtful pa rin po kami hanggang ngayon. Pero ito na nga po ang digital business na hinahanap ninyo because it works for busy parents like us, and it can work for you as well. So register today at www.maryroseangeles.com to find out more about this amazing and a huge blessing business.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sis Irene.
Ang first step, as everyone is saying, to join in this business is to watch our 90-minute totally free webinar. Doon po tayong lahat nag-start. And so yung mga interested, and then you have to go to connect with me at www.irenedelrocks.com, and then you try to find out if this is for you, watching the webinar.
Thank you, Sis Irene. Sis Lisa.
Yes. Oo. So, kung masasabi ko lang, if you really want to change your life, this is it. Kasi if you don't, kung hindi ka gumawa ng paraan ngayon, same thing pa rin ang life mo next year or the next coming year. So parang nagsacycle lang. So kung gusto mo yung mabago talaga ang buhay mo, mag-research ka, just if you want to learn more yung about this digital business, mag-register lang kayo dito sa website namin. Pili na lang kayo kung sino yung gusto nyong pag-registeran. So, for myself, my website is www.mamalisa-an.com, and it's free mag-register.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Ate Lisa. Sis Fe.
All right. Okay. Para sa mga nanonood, ang business na ito ay isang lehitimo, may proper training. Kahit may doubt kayo, subukan lang ninyo kasi hindi ninyo malalaman kung hindi niyo susubukan. just registered into my website at www.fakeox.net to learn more and watch the free webinar. It's free, and you will gain more knowledge by watching the 90-minute webinar. That's it.
Thank you. We got Sis Marianne.
Yeah, so yeah, like what have my sisters in here have said, right? Take action, right? If there is something that you're looking for, then maybe this is it. But for you to be able to see to it that if kung ito nga yun, is you have to check it out yourself. Because we may say everything that's good and bad in what we've experienced, right? But the decision at the end of the day will be yours. We cannot make that for you. And of course, for you to be able to do that, check it out first. So you can register your name and your email address through my website. That's www.maryantibayan.com. And see for yourself. Maybe ito yung hinahanap nyo. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And of course, ito pang aking website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com. MS stands for Mompreneur Space. Sa lahat ng mga, kami po ay hindi, ordinary women lang po kami, and we're just choosing to take the right step. And of course, we want better future for our family. So now it's your turn. If you're curious about starting your digital journey, ito po yung website ko. Then that's where you'll find real stories at powerful resources and guidance. So ayan, at dito po nagtatapos ang ating live for today. Thank you so much, Sis Marianne, for sharing your story with us. And hopefully sa mga doubtful pa din dyan, yan, sabi nga nila, magiging doubtful pa rin kayo hanggang bukas at hanggang sa makalawa. So, let's start, take the first step na before, and of course, do your diligent research, ika nga. So, ayan, so, kung hindi nyo na-catch yung mga website namin, ito po ay mga website namin just below. And thank you so much, Sis Marianne, for sharing your wonderful story. And to anyone watching, if her story made you, like, ang ganun pala, okay. So, kailangan nyo na mag-pause to reflect or even tear up a little. Maybe it's because you were meant to hear this today. Lalo naman nag-aantay ng sign, ika nga, kung wow ang dagat, wow din ang aming business. So, we're just ordinary women saying yes to extraordinary possibilities, people back. So, thank you. Thanks, everyone. Thanks sa ating mga nanonood at mga manonood pa lang na million viewers. Wow. All right. See you next time.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night.